What is my trading strategy? What is the secret sauce that Socrates uses? My methodology to trading is so elementary. It's so simple. My daughter is 8 years old and she pretty much understands the basics and the concepts of what I do when I enter the market. So further ado, here is my strategy. Trading strategy is a system that I put together that kind of helps me know what I want to look for when I'm taking my trades. Now, on the technical side and the charting side, my system is I would be specifically waiting for the charts or the price to reach some sort of key level or previous area where price has pivoted. And that is the only thing that my eyes are looking for on any time frame, is a pivot, a break. Are we near an area of supply? Are we near an area of demand? Are we near a daily high, a daily low? Did we touch that London close, that New York close? Those are all potential areas where I could either exit or enter trades on any time frame. Now, when I'm starting my day, I start at the weekly, then I move down. The weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, 30 minute, the 5 minute. Lately, I have been taking trades strictly on the 1 hour, but mainly I'm looking at the 5 minute to take my entries and my exits. But now that we have the simple side out of what I look for in trading, because that's pretty much it, is once our candle reaches one of these key levels are pivots. All I would need to enter the trade then would be strong volume following suit, or what's happening in the world. Is there earnings? Is there news? Is there some missiles being shot overseas? Because realistically, when we're trading futures, all of that matters. Now that we got the technical side of what I really do, my system puts my strategy all together. Now, what my system is I go into every day with a number that I want to make and a number that I'm willing to lose. A number that I am accepted in my head that if I hit this, it's okay. It's my losing day. I'm not going to get upset. And that's how I go. I like to take between 1 and 4 trades a day. Now, I don't have to trade every day, but I'm just giving you a general statement, is I like to take 1 to 4 trades a day. And I like to target between $25,000 and $5,000 a day. Now, if I take 2 losing trades in a row, my trading day is done. And also on all and each and one of my trading accounts, live, prop firm, I have a set number that it will lock me out of trading. So I can never go below a certain number, and that number is $4,000. So realistically, the most money that I could ever lose in one day is only $4,000 if I stick to my plan and follow my rules. And trading, you're going to realize you're going to waste a lot of time and money on the wrong sort of information and bullshit, when realistically the only thing that's ever happening and why this candle is moving up and down and we're seeing these fluctuations is somewhere someone is pressing this buy button. And it could be as retail degen traders, but it's probably a institution and bank doing it in a calculated, manipulated way. This is why I use previous price action in history aligned with current price action in history, because the market is the flow of human sentiment, and history always repeats itself. And that's something you will as well learn in your trading journey. But guys, there's a lot of bullshit and noise. So hopefully, my content is clearing the air for you. Now, again, I was not born into a smart household. I was not intelligent. I was a high school dropout. I've been to jail. You don't need intelligence to follow along on the system that I had created. It's not rocket science. I'm someone that realizes, and no matter what I'm doing, in every trade that I take, I could potentially lose this money, that I could be wrong. And it'll put, once we have our system in place, it kind of alleviates that fear and stress, because if you know you're someone that, okay, I can really sit and listen to myself, how can you lose? You're only going to lose when you let greed overtake your picture or overtake the system, or you Don't listen to yourself. Ultimately, every issue that involves in trading comes back to you and your mindset and what you do and the choices that you make. If you made $500 within 12 minutes of trading and you continue to trade, come on. You know what I'm saying? Consistency, base hits, till we have that cushion. And when we have that cushion, then you can take more risk and build that buffer up like you really want. But yeah, it's my strategy, guys. I am not sitting there waiting for FVGs. I'm not sitting there waiting for order blocks to be filled. I'm waiting to touch specific key levels. And now the key levels that I'm looking for, it's an indicator on TradeView that's free. And I don't change any of the settings. Again, all I need is volume and an understanding of the asset that I'm trading. Now, again, I'm trading gold. So some things I could look at while to help me make decisions are stay in trades, are enter trades, are anything related to it is gold. I would be looking at the dollar. The dollar's up, gold is down. Or we can look at your other metals, maybe silver, maybe platinum, maybe copper. You can also look at worldwide news because gold is a real asset and the dollar is just paper monopoly money. But yeah, if you didn't know that, go get yourself a basic education. And yeah, guys, that is my system. That is my strategy. And ultimately, my strategy only works if this is here with me. What I mean by that is my mental is on point. I'm confident in the day, my emotions are in check, and I'm not letting them get the best of me. I'm not letting greed get the best of me, but ultimately I'm following my rules that I set for myself. So I will only lose if I do not follow my rules, which would be probably be greed. Are you wanting more? But yeah, give me a like and subscribe if you thought that this video resonated with what you're trying to hear. And give me a comment below on what you guys want to see more from me moving forward. Again, this is probably my 5th video now that I've posted on a serious note for YouTube. And I would like to continue doing this, but I would love to know what you guys would like to see personally. So thank you for listening. Hopefully you'll continue to join in.